My name is Dr. Modupe Olorunnimbe. I'm the founder, MD, CEO of Vision AIDS Eye Clinic. We are located at Surulere and in Victoria Island. Our area of service is eye care. So we take care of vision problems, optical, medical and surgical, and any other visual rehabilitation services that we can help out with. I felt really bad and really bad, and I just told myself, this shouldn't break you. Why don't you see what you can do? The temptation was to close shop and not be in Surulere anymore. It was very horrible. It was quite a sight to see, and it was discouraging. I didn't know where to start from. I didn't know if I could start again because of the purchase of new equipment that I would have to make. But I'm here. We're here now, thanks to people like Stanbic, IBTC. A lot of my friends were concerned, and there were a lot of links flying around. I didn't know which one was genuine, which one was okay, but I got so many links sent to me, and one of the links was Stanbic IBTC. Because of the way it was crafted, the words, and I think there was a logo there that made me think this is real. That was it. I got it from so many people trying to help by sending links to me. The grant of 1.5 million naira was and is appreciated. I expected a little more, because to rebuild an eye clinic in today's time, it's not easy. The first pro forma invoice I got from my vendor was a 35 million quote to replace all the equipment that has been stolen. The 1.5 million from Stanbic is not to be winked at. It's helped me to purchase one of those equipment. It gave encouragement to me that I could still do this. So I would say that I appreciated the 1.5 million. It's not to be winked at. For me, at that time, every little drop in the ocean mattered. It would have been a bit more difficult if I didn't get that 1.5. It was lower than I expected, but it still did something, and I appreciate that. By the time I got the 1.5 million naira, I'd already started to do some rebuilding myself. I'd found a new place, a bigger place, within the Adenirogunsonya area. So I needed to renovate. I was doing all of that. But the 1.5 million naira helped me to put part payment on like 3 equipments, rather than spend it all on one. So my vendor was able to, so I could get the 3 equipment, and our service started. We started seeing our patients again with new equipment that we had bought. So I'd say I spread the 1.5 million naira in part payment over like 3 equipment, which helped the clinic start. If I had not received that grant, it would have been a bit difficult. But I would have gone ahead and done what we have now, because there was, like, the clinic had some money, there was some savings, personal savings. That grant helped us get back on our feet a little earlier than it would have been if we didn't get it. I'd like to say a big thank you to Stanbic IBTC. The thing is, it makes a customer feel more comfortable and safe when your bank does not want you to sink. I say thank you. not only because of the 1.5 million naira, but because of the feeling of safety in IBTC, in Stanbic IBTC, that, okay, they won't let me sing. They're watching out for me as well. So I say thank you. My name is Dr. Modupe Olorunnimbe, founder, CEO of Vision AIDS Eye Clinic, and I'm a proud and grateful recipient of the Stanbic IBTC Rebuilding Together grant.